I think it's an initiative,
It's a drive.
a spirit,
Change.
metamorphosis.
It's a dream.
It's a vision.
It's rare.
It's inimitable,
It's intensive.
intangible,
Warmth.
relationship,
Belief.
faith,
It's all,
It's all
of
of
this
this
and much more.
This
is
IGTC, the school for
unlearning
learning.
and relearning.
At the end of this journey of 18 months, IGTC has redefined a few of the most commonly used concepts for all of us. And these concepts are now imbibed in us. We will begin our speech by explaining some of the most commonly used concepts from our own experiences at IGTC in our own words.
Let us start with management. Management to us is answering the questions why, what, when, where, and how. It is the ability to connect the dots of various subject matters to make the right decision.
Dedication and hard work. Hard work is applying your abilities with focus and intensity. Dedication is complete devotion of faith in something. When you don't miss even a single lecture in the tenure of 18 months, when you tend to work on as many as 6 or 7 projects at a time, when you don't care about the sleepless nights, fatigue, disappointment because of failures, and when you enjoy every bit of the hard work you put in, you were said to be dedicated. This is the reason that each one of us from our batch have made it over here today.
Teamwork. Simply put, teamwork is not when 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 but greater than 2, and 2 plus 2 is not equal to 4 but greater than 4. It is about identifying strengths and putting it to the right use at the right time. When the smarter few selflessly share their knowledge to ensure that the entire class performs, and when the entire class helps the smarter few in their difficult times to reach their goal, it is then when we get to know what is teamwork.
Friendship, love, and care. Friendship, love, and care is dividing your sorrows and multiplying your joy with your friends. A pot in which all these three converge is IGTC. The feeling that even if my world comes crashing down, come what may, there will always be those 50 of them who will stand beside me and support me is the evidence of love, care, and friendship at IGTC.
Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Richard van de Merwe, Mr. Michael Ziebert, Mr. Tapan Singhal, Mr. Bernard Steinrucker, and our Radhika ma'am.
Distinguished dignitaries of the dais, esteemed mentors from training companies, respected faculty members, parents, and my dear friends.
Namaste,
Namaskar,
Vanakkam,
Namaskar,
Kem Cho.
und Hallo. Willkommen bei Indo-German Training Center, Mumbai.
Today is a huge accomplishment for each one of us, and we have been given this opportunity to express our thoughts and ideas on behalf of all our batchmates. I am Neha Kuryakos.
I am Alok Padamikar. I am sure that all our parents exactly want to know that what we did in these 18 months, considering that we never went home on time. We never ate. We never slept. And we were constantly glued to our computers and mobile phones. Dear friends, let us relive this wonderful journey together.
Can you believe it how quickly these 18 months flew by? Doesn't it just feel like our first day at IGTC, 6th of August 2013?
Yes, it does. The same nervousness, anxiety, excitement, action, and buzz in the air. Because this is not the end, but the beginning to a better and brighter future into the corporate world.
The momentum of the course was always on a high note, right from the induction week to the submission of our capstone projects.
When we entered into our first theory phase, we were told that this is the longest phase. And if you survive through this, Rest is going to be a cakewalk.
When we entered our second phase, we were told this is the shortest phase with the most number of subjects. And if you survive this, there is nothing that you can't achieve.
And then we entered into our third phase, and we were told the third phase is completely application oriented. And the fourth phase just focuses on a capstone project.
But all of this meant being part of 9 WhatsApp groups, at the same time working on 9 different projects, coordinating with 45 different individuals, preparing for 9 different presentations. And yes, my dear parents, this is the reason why we were so disconnected from social life and cut off from normal life.
And it just doesn't end there, especially for the both of us. We have been preparing for this final convocation speech until this morning. To be precise, until 1 hour back.
But believe it or not, we still want a little more of IGTC in our lives, as this journey has been wonderful. It is more than academics, right from the football game with the juniors and seniors, the IGCC AGM, being in the presence of the RBI governor, sharing a joke with the German ambassador, presenting to ministers from Baden-Württemberg and the mayor of Stuttgart.
This journey wouldn't have been what it was without our faculty members. They have been associated with IGTC for the pure love of the institute, passion for teaching, and a belief in the German dual education system. They are not just academicians, but also industry experts who make the course completely application-oriented. This prepares us to face the practical on-the-job training.
We believe the exposure, experience, coaching, and guidance provided by our mentors in our training companies gives us that edge over other B school graduates. And the fact that most of us have been placed with the best brands in the world is the evidence of the success of the German education system.
A big thank you to IGCC for making the dual education system a reality in India and having given us this opportunity to be a part of it. Wir danken Ihnen, der deutsch-indischen Handelskammer.
And IGTC would not have been IGTC without the support of the 5 pillars. Radhika ma'am, Sajita ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, Veena ma'am, and Tasneem. All of them have been tending to a flock of sheep into greener pastures. And I think this is what defines passion for us.
Absolutely. To give a short tribute to all of them, I would say, good timber does not grow with ease. The stronger the wind, the stronger the trees. These 5 wonderful women became our wind. Please give a huge round of applause to all of them. Thank you, all of you. On that note, we, as the batch of 2013-15 pledge, that we will always make an effort to live up to the reputation of IGTC, and we will be the brand ambassadors for IGTC in the corporate world.
So don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened.
Even though we are going to miss the people and places we have grown so fond of,
We are grateful for at least having had this experience, having met the people we have, and having done the things we did.
so smile, because we have had a great time here. And we know that even we have worked so hard and done well, our best is yet to come. And when we meet 10 years from now, we hope that IGTC will find a new meaning of excellence in us. Heartiest congratulations to the graduating students. 2 lines from my side to all of you, my loving batchmates. आंखों में खुशी हो, लबों पे हंसी हो, गम का कभी नाम न हो. आप सबको इस जहां की सारी खुशियां मिले, इन खुशियों की कभी शाम न हो, इन खुशियों की कभी शाम न हो. Thank you all of you.